Hello, good day from Sudhanshu. In this video, I will showcase how you can uninstall the YouTube app. First of all, I will tell you how you can install YouTube app on your desktop, laptop, and then I will showcase how you can uninstall it. First of all, go to the URL, that is youtube.com. Once you are on this URL, just hover over your mouse to this URL bar and you will see an install button. Click on the install button and it will install the YouTube app on your desktop. Now where you can see it, just minimize the browser and you will be able to see YouTube button on your desktop. This is not the shortcut, this is the installed application on your laptop or desktop. Now how do you uninstall it? So once you have installed it, double click on the icon. It will open the application. Just click the three dots and then uninstall YouTube. Remove this application data also from Chrome. Simply click on uninstall and it will uninstall the application. I repeat, to remove the application, double click the icon, then go to the three dots, uninstall YouTube, check this button, or if not required, do not check this button and click on uninstall. This will remove the application from your desktop. So now I have showcased how to install and uninstall YouTube application on your laptop or desktop. The purpose is sometimes you have calculator app or some applications which do not require internet. So people can simply install the application and use it in offline mode on the flight or on mobile without internet or any access to Wi-Fi connection. Have a good day. Bye bye.